What is up, guys? The Cajun here, and that's my computer. I'm gonna show y'all something. This is my old RAMs, my DDR, and how is this computer running so fast? Well, of course, yeah, I just I replaced it with the. This is the 4, and what's in there is a 8 GB RAMs. Watch, I'm gonna show y'all real quick right here. I'm going little assistant thing. I think that's another way how I can go in and check it. I'll go in here. I can go in here. And that's how much I'm running right now. Let me zoom in to there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's with my computer, my graphics card right here. So yeah, that's basically it. And let me tell you, it's fast, boy. Woo! Is it fast enough? I think so. At least to kind of, boost up the memory. Because I've been having problems. What it will do is it freeze up. Every now and then when I can turn it on, and all of a sudden everything's freeze, like the mouse won't even move, and I couldn't do nothing. Because what I have to do is kind of like close everything, make sure no background is running, like no Spotify or anything else like that. Because if it's running, it will slow down the RAM so much that it will freeze. So that was the problem I was having. What I had to keep on doing is every now and then go into this, kind of clean up my disk drive. Then I will have to do this, kind of like run the diagnostics and the everything right here. What I have to do. I always have to keep on doing that over and over. Now I won't have to do that anymore. Well, of course, I'm still gonna do it like every every weekly, because it's like every daily I will have to computers fix, and we're gonna test it out on some games how it's gonna run. I just hope pretty smooth. First, we're gonna test out Half-Life. And then what's the other game? Oh, Portal. See, I have my Steam account right here. These are the games that downloading. So I have Portal right here, and then a Half-Life. So we're gonna be running those tests. Already tried VR chat. The only thing it still runs slow because it uses the internet. That's the only thing. So everything else runs perfectly smooth. Oh. And there's the pooch, huffing and puffing like usual. Probably wondering why she's huffing and puffing. Because I went play with my RC boat over there in the water, so she went chasing after it. Y'all already seen that video. Me playing with my RC boat, and she goes all nuts with it. I drive her nuts, even though she ain't got no nuts. Shut up. Oh, there's Maddy. The aftermath of her diving in the pool head first right there. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute why. Like, look at that. She's all wet, all right here. Her balls. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. Just hold on for a minute. You can see where it's wet right now. See, because I was playing with my RC boat and all, going around the pool. Next thing you know, she went head first in the water. Huh, Maddy? Yo. And you was just standing there laughing at me. I was just standing over there. I was like, oh shit, Maddy's gonna freaking drown. So I think I was standing somewhere right here. Somewhere's right here. And Maddy's like trying to get the boat, you know, because the boat was going all around right here. And keep going, making a circle. Next thing you know, she has her two front paws and her head underneath the water. She's trying to get out. Oh my God, get me out of here, get me out of here. I think that's where her scratch is at, right here. Yeah. Oh man, you funny, yeah. You funny, girl. So guys, that's what's been going on lately. What's going on right now? It looks like we're about to get rain. I'm not sure if it's gonna rain or not. But there's a lot of dog turds right there. Somebody needs to clean that up. Pick up the turds. Maddy, I'm looking at you. Go pick up your turds. Well, anyway, just look at the. I think it's starting to rain now. Yeah, last night. Boy, they had some weather, huh? A lot of shit, freaking lighting. A lot of lightning and damn it. A lot of lightning and thunder. It's like, wow, man. And Maddy's like getting scared. So it's like, and even I had to put on the shit. Even though I had to put on the fans to try to to illuminate the noise, you know, the thunder, because she's scared of loud noises. That didn't help. It just got even louder. So I'm like, the frick. And you can hear the thunder coming, and the thunder roll. When the lightning strike, Maddy goes dive in the pool over there. Yo, quit picking on me. You're picking on me again. Maddy. What you gonna say to the folks, Maddy? What you say to the audience of YouTube and fans around the world? I have no idea. Silent. Guys, I think she's mad at me of laughing at her when she dived in the pool. Ooh, that was funny. I'm gonna have to check the cameras because we got security cameras here. Eventually, I'm gonna check it out and then see which if I get it the chance to view it, I'm gonna let y'all know. Probably in the next video or something. I don't know. But y'all stay tuned. This shit is gonna be funny. Oh man, that was funny. Where did that? She's just laying.